certified most accurate. Now your First Warn 5 forecast.
Good Monday morning. I'm meteorologist Mathieu Mondro with your First Warn 5 update. Now for today, we are tracking some rain chances, certainly much needed around the area, but there also is a storm chance to go along with those rain chances, and some of these storms could reach that strong to severe level. Now, one thing I will note here is similar to our last few potential rounds of severe weather, it does look like the best ingredients will still be farther south in the state. That's where that slight risk is, but for us still under this marginal risk, that's in the green. That means we'll still at least want to stay weather aware heading into the evening, because we still could see a handful of storms actually reaching that strong to severe weather, or level rather. But the stronger wind gusts, some hail, and some heavy rain are going to be the primary impacts out of that. Certainly need the heavy rainfall. This is all as a cold front moves through the area for today, and a southwesterly wind ahead of that actually does bring in some of our ingredients, the moisture and the heat specifically. Now your First Warn 5 hour by hour showing that we will have a few showers later on in this morning, even before the noon hour too. Just some more plain rain associated with this, a few thunderstorms too, but this round really doesn't have much of a potential to reach that severe level. It's once we get later on into the evening. Here we are at 8 o'clock. There's that cold front starting to make its way through. That's where the stronger activity is, and you can still see some of that strongest activity still staying fairly south. Flint, you're going to have the best chance out of this. Some of this activity could stray up towards the Tri-Cities, but most of this going to be farther south into the area. But then after midnight, the cold front clears, and we're already starting to clear and dry back out by Tuesday morning. So your Tuesday morning commute actually still looks to be in pretty good shape. Now here's a look at our rainfall totals out of this. Not talking much out of the plain rain, only up to around 1/4 of an inch at the most. But some of these splotches of blue do indicate that where we have some of the stronger storms, we could see some totals getting up over 1/2 of an inch. So not every town is going to see the heavy rain, but still at least it is some rainfall for us. But I still don't think that'll be really a drought-busting rainfall for us either. Here's your winds this afternoon, around 10 to 15, rather even 20 miles per hour sustained. A few gusts up to 30 miles per hour too, so it'll be fairly breezy today, but that direction out of the southwest does bring in the heat. We're talking temperatures up to around 87 for the Tri-Cities and Flint, 85 to 86 in the Thumb, also over into our western counties too, and our northern counties getting up into the lower 80s for today. So certainly going to be warmer than it was this weekend. On your 7-day forecast, there is a chance for some pop-up showers and thunderstorms Tuesday afternoon, but then the remainder of the work week still largely looking dry. A few more shower chances coming in for the upcoming weekend, but we are still in need of that good rain. Make sure you're staying weather aware too as we head into the evening.
Stay with WNEM TV5 on air, on the go, and online for more news and weather updates.